Hello everyone, my name is Nate with Laterpress, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up a Stripe account so that you can start receiving payments for your fiction that you sell through Laterpress. So this is the front screen. You would see something like this once you've logged in, and you'll see all your books or collections here. You're going to first need to go to Settings and Reader Payments where it says Stripe Disconnected. You're going to need to click this to enable a Stripe account to start going through the process and get started with Stripe. The first thing it's going to ask you for is an email, so you can enter your email address here. To protect some personal information, I will be stopping and starting the video a little bit to show the steps without revealing any of my own information that I would use through this process. And once you've got an email in there, then you're going to need to enter a password. And for the next step of the process, once you've clicked through that, it will ask you to set up some form of two-factor authentication. That could be through your phone, or I went through the process to set it up for the Google Authenticator app, so I downloaded that. It's asking me for a verification code, so I will enter that and then advance to the next step. From there, if you've used Stripe before, you may see information for other businesses, or it will give you the option to create a new business. So I'm going through the create a new business process for this video. Here, when it tells us about your business, you're going to need to enter your business address. This could be your personal address or a P.O. box. If you have a P.O. box, it is wherever any business mail would need to be sent. So fill that out here, and then we're going to click continue. For type of business, you could be individual, company, or nonprofit organization. I would guess most individual actors are probably going to select individual. If you're under an LLC, you could possibly be a company, a sole proprietorship, single member LLC. You'll know, if you have any of that set up, you should know your status with that. Fill those out appropriately. I'm going to select individual here and then continue. The next screen will ask you for your personal information, so you would enter name, email address, date of birth, phone number, social security. If you do not want to use your phone number, you can either get a business phone number set up or use a service like Google Voice where it can create a different phone number that rolls forward to your cell phone or other phone number, so people call that and can reach you without knowing your personal phone number. On the next screen, it's going to ask you for some professional details for industry. Since we are talking about digital books here, I would recommend going to digital products, and under digital products you will see books. And now for a website, you can enter your own website if you have a personal website. You could also enter your Laterpress book link in there. So for example, we've got here the Laterpress collection that I set up in another video. I'm going to copy that link and paste that there, use that as the business address. And just kind of quick for the sake of video, product description is books, and then we'll continue. All right, the next screen is going to ask for banking details. Your screen probably won't look like this right away. It may show different bank logos and things to ask you to set up. This is what the screen will look like if you decide to enter things manually, and then you can enter a routing number and an account number for your banking information, and then press continue once you've got the bank details set up to your satisfaction. Okay, and at this screen, this should auto-populate with whatever you put in as a link probably. You can delete this and change it. If I wanted to have it statement descriptor Nate Gillick, because you're buying from me, I could put that there. Customer support phone number and the address, all of this will populate from what you entered earlier. I just deleted it out so that my information is not showing in this video. If there's any errors, you can correct them here, but there's probably very little you'll have to do on this screen. And I skipped the next screen because that last screen is simply reviewing your details. You'll hit submit and then return to the Laterpress page here. Okay, and then lastly, you can check your earnings and see details at the dashboard, stripe.com or dashboard.stripe.com when you've signed into your account, and this will show all of your details.